All right. This is the Nazgul F4X. And anyone who flies FPV drones, brothers and sisters, you got to get yourself one of these. My Lord, is it fun to fly. It's a beautiful day here. It's just a big empty field. I'm having a blast. Got 23 satellites launching. I'm just having so much fun flying this today. And it's bigger brothers. Okay, and I hope that got in camera. It truly is incredibly maneuverable, and it gives me a feeling of speed that some of my other drones, for whatever reason, don't manifest, even though they're flying faster. But I'm cruising around the field here, as you'll see in the video, the goggles, at just over 50 or around 50 miles an hour, plus or minus, and just having a blast. I've been shooting gaps in the trees and bushes, smaller ones that I've never bothered to try to shoot before, because it's a Naz and it's just so bloody maneuverable and so much fun. And as fast and agile as the Nazgul 5s are, which I've always stated is my favorite, this Naz 4 is even more agile. And coupled with its weight and quickness, it is just, for me, awesome. And you pilots that fly even much more aggressively than me, much more aggressively than I'm personally interested in flying, you're gonna love this, because this drone is gonna give you everything that you can ask for out of a bind and fly. Now I do couple this Naz F4X with a slightly smaller LiPo. I'm flying a 6S 1050 instead of a 1200 or larger. But I do that because the frame size just seems to support that size battery better. It'll hold a larger battery, but I think the trade-off in weight and maneuverability is such that this is really a great size for it. 1100 would be a great size for it. I just don't have it in 1100s. Oh, I didn't line that up well, and boy, the sun's right in the lens, so that won't look impressive on the video. Let's try it again. What's fun with this little gap here is flying under the bushes. Now I got through it that time. Battery life, I think, on the 1050 6S LiPo. It's got 130C, which means it's really responsive even when it's drained a little bit. I'm well below my low battery warning. But I'm okay. Coming into land. Don't want to kill the lipo. You can hear it.